The Baffle Boss. Take charge of your hood filter cleaning. The Baffle Boss is the ultimate tool for hood filter removal. It makes the crucial task of routinely removing filters for cleaning a safe and simple operation. The old method of knocking the filters out of the hood system with a broom handle can cause the filter to fall onto equipment or floor, damaging the filter, or worse, it can hit the employee, causing an injury. If an employee climbs on equipment, one misstep can land a foot in the deep fryer or a hand on the broiler or griddle. The Baffle Boss is the solution to these problems. The long handle allows safe and easy reach from the floor. You don't have to be tall to use the Baffle Boss effectively. The head of the Baffle Boss adjusts to match the angle of the filter in any hood. The prongs also adjust so they can fit between the baffles of most brand filters for stable operation. The Baffle Boss is easy to use. Simply insert the prongs between the baffles, lift the filter out of the channel and out of the hood. To replace the filter, place the filter into the hood, into its channel, and remove the Baffle Boss. It's that easy. We hope you will make the Baffle Boss a permanent fixture in your kitchen.